Hi, I'm Cassandra Jean Hermo from BS Chemistry 1, and this is my video representation about policy gap or policy institutional gap. So, what is policy gap or policy institutional gap? Policy gap or policy institutional gap refers to a disparity between the intended outcome of a policy and its actual result. This gap arises when policies are not implemented as intended, resulting in a failure to achieve the desired objective. So, what is a real world example of policy institutional gap? Institutionalism in action can be observed in a various real world examples, such as environmental policy and economic development. The primary issue in the tension between environmental policy and economic development, with many viewing regulations as a constraint on economic growth, failing political support for strengthening policies difficult to secure. So, what we can propose as a realistic next step of policy that could help to close policy institutional gap. To address the policy institutional gap, the next step could involve the establishment of a cross sectoral government working group or a multi stakeholder committee to facilitate collaboration and coordination across policy sectors. So, why policy institutional gap is crucial for world stability? The policy institutional gap is crucial for world stability because it affects the effectiveness and sustainability of policies. A well functioning institutional framework ensures that policies are coherent, integrated, and aligned with nations' goals, leading to a better governance and societal stability.